Hello my dear students. Today we're going to finish Lab 4 by doing Part C. In Part C, this is Lab 4. In Part C, we're examining the reaction of the group 7 halogens. It's titled Halogen Ion Reactions, and the instructions 1 through 5 are read as follows. So I'll read them and then we'll do them. Label test tubes 1 through 3, 1, 2, 3. To each test tube, add 10 drops of the appropriate halogen ion solution, chlorine to test tube 1, bromine ion to test tube 2, and iodine ion to test tube 3. And to each test tube, add 10 drops of hexane. That is basically paint thinner. You can buy it as hexanes at Lowe's or Home Depot. Add 1 drop of 6 molar nitric acid, very reactive, very strong acid, and add 5 drops of sodium hypochlorite or bleach. I'm using Walmart brand Clorox. Gently shake each test tube and read the halogen test by observing the color of the upper hexane layer. So the halogens are going to react, form a colored product that is more soluble in hexane than the water. It's going to move up into the hexane, and we're going to record the color of the hexane layer on our data sheet. The next video will discuss the lab data recording and discussion questions. And finally it says dispose of the solution as directed by your instructor, since it involves acids and strong acids and solvents. So, my 3 solutions as follows. Safety glasses. 10 drops of sodium chloride, chloride ion. Never use a pipette twice. Don't cross-contaminate the solutions. In lab, these bottles would actually be test tubes where I took a little bit out so we don't ruin our stock solutions. The next one is sodium bromide. And the last one is sodium iodide. You can see it has a slight yellow tint to it. It's not going to be yellow when we do the reaction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it said to add, in order, hexane, nitric acid, and sodium hypochlorite. So we'll add our 10 drops of hexane. It's very volatile. You can smell the paint thinner smell if you waft it up. 10 drops, we really don't need to work in a fume hood, but if you're using large quantities you would. Low vapor pressure, you can see it evaporating and pushing the drops out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have, like oil on water, a layer of hexane floating on top of our solutions of ions. Next we're going to add a drop of nitric acid. You want to be extremely careful with this very reactive acid. It's become slightly discolored over time. I see it smoking as I open it up, even though it's half strength. 1 drop in each tube. And you can see the tubes have already reacted. You can see some color change in them. But we're not complete yet until we add 3 drops of the sodium hypochlorite or bleach to each tube. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You, of course, don't want to get that on yourself or your clothes. It would form a little white spot on any clothes you expose it to. I'm going to agitate my tubes. I don't have a vortex mixer here, but I use my fingers in the classical sense. This has so much color, but you can see clearly that the color is moving into the upper layer, okay? That's the bromine. And the iodine has a beautiful purple color. If I were to add more, I use 10th molar solutions. Maybe I should have used more dilute solutions, but if I would have used more dilute solutions, we would have had less color. This one has no real color. The yellow, I believe, is coming from the